Good afternoon, traders. It's December 27th. I'm making a video here to show you guys how slow volume is at the end of the year again. Yeah, but with risk management, how even though we don't profit big, we profit a few bucks, or we could have just lost a little bit. Depends how our trades went today. We only had, with our strategy, two opportunities all day. And I want to get into that with you guys and explain. We had a big market, pre-market run, right? But this is pre-market. So there's no room for you to do anything in this market, and then let alone sit there and chase all day. You would have been sitting at the open in all this consolidation, only to get trapped for everything but the downside later on. So when we saw our opportunity, we took a short in here at one contract, just one contract, and we went in for 2 points, scalp up 2 points up in here, up $100. And then we had this, if you look, we see like there's this bull pattern flag formation, which usually will lead to a bigger breakout. But remember, volume is low, and we were headed there. We were up 1 point, but because of risk management, what we learn is not to cash out too early, because we would be cheating ourselves and we'd be creating bad habits. So we basically don't do that. So we saw a point, loss, and not just a point loss. We went down and we hit our stop loss end of the day. And of course, pre-market, typical sell-off, we'd see like this, just like a retrace into the pre-market spike, right? So, we had two trades today. We lost one trade for a big old whopping $37.50 before commissions. Guys, remember, commissions, first of all, with our wholesale traders, it's 58 cents a contract each way. Plus some fees, we're not paying that much, number one. Number two, at least we had a profitable day. It was slow, it was sluggish, and this is just with one contract. You turned $500 day margin into $37.50. A lot of day traders out there that are doing penny stocks or trading stock market or options are not clearing $37 with $500 a day. Okay, and you could have made more than that. Had we not lost this one trade and only had one trade, we would have been up $100. Had we won both trades, we would have made $200. So it's just, and our trade opportunities are very limited. Okay, our typical volume with the S&P E-mini futures is about 2.2 million contracts traded a day on a typical day. We're going to have those times coming up again here in the new year, but to show you how many contracts traded today, not even like just about 25% of what, not even 20% of what normally is trading. So, and a lot of this could be big, industrial trader, and that's what they probably did anyways. They did all that pre-market and almost post-market here at the close. So it's, there was no room to really do anything, let alone there was probably more room to make mistakes. But because we use that risk management, we use our strategies, and we're safe, boom, we still are golden. And that's Forte Trader, baby. That's our way. So you could have had, been a more experienced trader by this point today and been doing 5 contracts at a time, and you would have made a nice $190 today on a slow, dead market. You could have been doing this from freaking Costa Rica. But the point is that I wanted to prove that what we do is the right way. Sometimes it takes a whole day just to be in this spot like this, but it's better than blowing up an account. I can tell you a lot of inexperienced people that are trying to do this alone are blowing accounts up left and right, because this is a lot of money to have lost. Could have lost a few $100 today or more, especially when people see things like this and start chasing. That's the first thing we do. Then we get in this trap. Then we hang in there and we wait because we think it's just going to come back up, because we think, oh, this is such the volatile big market. Well, volume is light right now, so not everybody in the world is trading. This is a whole global market here. This is our market, the U.S. index market, but the world is trading this stuff. Okay? This is traded just as much as Forex. So, or a lot of their Forex currency pairs. So, it's easy to get trapped also because of the leverage, but it's fluid, it's transparent, and this is what we trade because this is what we believe in. So we just got to do it with the right. What we can control is our psychology, We can control our behaviors and our risk management. We can control that. We cannot control what the market's going to give us. The market's going to give us what it gives us. It's how we control it and handle it that gives us the best results. And that's it. That's my market review for today, December 27th. I'll probably be out until like after the New Year's, folks. This is just getting too boring for me. It's wasting time. I have other projects I'm going to do around the house and financially make some money elsewhere with some of my other plans. So, but I'll be working on getting the lessons updated, and they're kind of already there. You guys can sign up. Some of you still on. I'm still looking for some beta testing too. We're in that time of year where I want to, if you want to learn how to trade the futures market, hit me up, and I'll get you in. So, and beginning maybe by February or March, you can start trading some real money. Okay, but let's get you started and let's get you on board and on the right track. This is Peter with Forte Trader. Have a happy New Year.